Hi guys, it's me again, your girl in her 20s, Miss Wang. And for today's video, we're in Baguio. Ay,
Sabi ni Kuya sa gilid.
pwede po dala ng aso. Sige po. Naka-diaper ka naman. Gala mo Gala mo. Ang fantasy natin today ay travel vlog. So, we're just gonna go around Baguio, trying cafes, doing touristy stuff. Because why not? Because why not? But I feel like the weather is not with us for today kasi sobrang ulan. Tapos, nung tinignan ko pa yung weather app, parang, kasi we'll be here until Sunday. And it looks like the whole stay will be very rainy. But we're gonna make do. We're still gonna go around. Kasi sayang naman ang pera at sayang ang effort. Ulan lang yan. Sisipunin pero makakapaggala. Tama? Yes. First stop for today is Chocolate de Baterol. We ordered the cheesy bibingka. I ordered cheesy bibingka and the traditional choco baterol. Ambience-wise, I really like the place. I love the feel of the open garden. And even though it was raining that day, the green surroundings gives you the feeling of warmth. It makes you feel like you're at your own home. And I love how they blend the nature into their overall aesthetic. One tip though, pumunta kayo ng maaga because mabilis sumaba yung pila.
Traditional! Masarap ate yung traditional nyo. Itong score mo.
Miss Ange, ano po yung dina-download nyo?
Wala po. Gumagawa ko ng itinerary.
Itinerary ng mga lalaki, tama?
Talaga kay Angel sa ganito.
Ayan na kilos na po si Miss Ange. Bumubuo na ng roster.
Asap na, wala pa naman ako na-achieve.
Gaga-atis, alam mo.
Opak, match.
Sulit sa akto ba?
First prize. Opak.
Pero yun o yung bot.
Una.
Kahit tanay.
So, nag-ML na nga silang lahat, no? So, talk to self muna. Ayan. Talk to self muna ako, guys.
Ayan, go.
Entertain myself.
Nakagat ka na eh.
Next stop for today, Camp John Hay. Super ulan today, kaya ang lamig-lamig din talaga, which for me completes my Baguio experience. Yes, sorry. Hello po.
Idol ko po kayo.
Ay, yes po. Saan po kayo galing?
Doon sa labas.
Ito naman yung Bell House. This is the official vacation house of John Franklin Bell, the commanding general of the Philippines in 1903. It's surrounded by luscious green forest. That's why super presko ng hangin, and the energy here is just so different compared to the city. When you enter, you will be greeted with an all-American theme interior. The Bell House is now a museum, and I love how they kept all the detail intact for the public to see. The Bell House gave me a glimpse on how the Americans used to live here. One obvious thing are the chimneys, something that most Filipino households don't really have. The old couches, portraits, even the wallpapers and wooden floors and furnitures really takes you back in time. One of my favorite spaces in this house is this dining area. Just look at the color and the quality of those wood and also the designs. It just screams classic and elegant. And yes, that is another chimney. Are embellished with paintings and images of landscapes of what I assume is Baguio. And this is an example of a sleeping quarter of the Bell's house. If you walk a little more, you'll see an entrance to the veranda. And I think big verandas are also very American. It looks like a corridor almost. a big corridor. I can already picture how sergeants in general would gather here to plan their strategies during the war. Parang mas maluwag pa to sa bahay namin nung bata ako, honestly. It's very fun exploring this house. We're now ready to move on to another part of the Camp John Hay, which is the amphitheater, which is just by the side of the Bell's house. Ano pong masasabi niyo so far sa ating Camp John Hay tour?
Masasabi ko, sobrang kabog ni John Hay. Kahit hindi ko pa siya nakita personally. Pero sana mag-meet tayo someday. Dahil dyan, ito ang score mo.
Feeling ko kakabahan ka talaga pag na-meet mo si John Hay.
Pwede na ngayon.
Bongga yung aesthetic ni John Hay, in fairness. Ito daw yung amphitheater. Look at this. I don't know what they do here, but they probably do meetings. I'm just assuming.
Palira ng cloud.
Dapat ni Derek. Gihit na na.
Guys, hindi namin mahanap yung Airbnb namin. Tama.
Basang-basa na.
Meron bang na-scam? Pwede yun. May scam ba sa Airbnb?
Meron bang scam sa Airbnb?
Wala, pagod na siya, guys. Biglang naging bright. Rested. Kanina pagod yung pet siya.
Gago laro siya ni. Brownouts na daw lahat.
Ay. Tapos, another struggle, brown out na daw, guys.
Until 5.
So, Miss Anne, siya hanapin ng Airbnb o uuwi sa Quezon City?
Ay, hanapin. Hindi pwede to dahil may nakamatch na ako.
Oh my God! yung breath mo umuusok.
Libby dog.
Di ba?
Ay, Korean.
Novela.
Korean si Miss Ange.
Sobrang...
Ako yung goblin.
Siguro
Korean barbecue.
inhit ka lang.
Kayo po ba yung yung may gate na malaki tapos color white?
Ay, okay.
Wala pong signal, lumabas lang po kami.
Okay po. Yes po, understood. Can you go to...
3 days later, hinahanap pa rin namin ng Airbnb.
10 lang.
Adan pa lang ba? Palusaw na yung makeup ko. Ano na, gusto ko na ng nap time.
Pretty pa din.
Ano po yan? Paulit.
Pretty pa din. 10, 10, 10.
Thank you po. Pero uso.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Time check. It's 1:15 p.m.
Sa kabila lang daw, sige.
Walang kuryente. And it will not come back until 5 p.m.
Sino yung power bank ko?
And I hate that for us. I want to shower no, but I can shower without heater. Ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Ever since nag-start yung ulan around 4, parang di na siya tumigil and parang mas lumalakas lang siya ng lumalakas kasi nga may bagyo today. In the end, we just decided to just stay inside instead of going out because the original plan was to go to the night market, see if there's some stuff that interests us, maybe explore more cafe during the nighttime. Pero yeah, the weather wouldn't allow us, so we just decided to stay inside and enjoy ourselves with some food. We started our second day at Orcas Cafe. This cafe is straight out of a Studio Ghibli film. I cannot hype this enough. This is easily my favorite cafe in Baguio. I mean, look at this thick fog covering the whole area. It's just so whimsical and magical. And when you go inside, you will be greeted with a lot of museum-worthy pieces. There are painting depicting life in Baguio and Benguet. There are different sculptures, and even the architecture of the cafe is breathtaking. The cafe is 3 floors, and while I was exploring the whole place, all I'm thinking about is I really wish I live close to this cafe because honestly, sawang-sawa na ako sa mga cafe sa Metro Manila. And if I live here, I will probably be here every weekend. If you go downstairs, you will see a lot of artifacts that are related to the Igorot of Benguet and Baguio. As you can see here, there are a lot of sculptures. Anito, I believe is what they're called. It's just amazing to look at all of this. And syempre, the place is Instagrammable, so hindi na rin namin talaga pinalampas. At nag-photoshoot na rin kami ng barkada ko.
Maganda. Harry.
Can I just do a little quick fit check? Pwedeng padaan. Mag-fit check yung tao eh. Ang tama! Nangangagat si Miss Van. Ano order mo?
French toast, tsaka pesto.
Kakain na kayo. Brunch ba to?
Ay,
Brunch ba to?
medyo.
Ikaw ano sa'yo?
Ano, yung spicy tuna.
Pasta ka din?
Yeah.
Ako kuya, chicken alfredo pasta. And French toast. Alam niyo kung anong feeling ko? Feeling ko nasa Twilight ako, tapos biglang lalabas na lang si Edward sa likod ko. Tapos biglang lalabas din si Jacob. Because mag-aaway sila. Anyways, andyan na daw yung food namin. Let's go, let's go. Sa resibo na.
So, nauna yung drink.
Okay na yung orders.
Mag-start tayo sa botanical.
Tinda po.
Kayo
Second stop for today, Mines View Park. Apparently, there used to be a gold and copper mines in Benguet, and you will see it from the overlooking deck of Mines View Park. The view is breathtaking, kaya sinamantala ko na rin and I took some pictures from the deck.
Artean mo pati.
Hold nyo lang pose. 1, 2, 3. Ang lala ng cardio dito. Parang mas challenging to kaysa sa Japan na puro lakad. Tapos, sa Japan kasi puro kalakad. Pero dito puro lakad pero pataas.
incline.
Yes, babe.
Ano ko? Salamin.
Inakit ko yung mataas na,
Gali na yan.
ang tawag dun, overlooking deck ng naka-heels.
Ito talaga tayo yung broiber ng kain.
Tama? So magsapatos na tayo. Nagdala ko ng extra shoes kasi alam kong madami kaming pupuntahan for today.
Guys, nakakapagod pala magbagyo. Pag puro bakla kayo, ang daming kartiyan sa mundo. For me lang sana magsama tayo ng straight.
Pupuntahin mo lang yung ano.
Kasi ang mahal ng gastos kung may kasamang PS.
Oo. Hindi ka gano'y ganda lang, par. Unless Timothy Chan.
Unless BF ko siyang gastos.
Okay. Mainit na siya.
Malina naman yung advocacy ko. Malina naman yung advocacy ko, ma.
Magsusuntukin ko yun.
Ang advocacy ko kasi mabigyan ng experience ko mga mga men. Mga deprived.
Yeah, parang naging social
I
worker
wanna I wanna enrich
Social
them. I wanna- Parang giving me.
Time check, it's about 2 p.m. I think. We're now at the Diplomat Hotel. Sobrang ganda ng vibe dito. They said it's supposed to be kind of creepy kasi luma na yung hotel and they said that there's a lot of spirits that's being housed there. Pero hindi siya nakakatakot today kasi medyo maaraw, which is we're very unfortunate to have the sun with us today. And sobrang daming tao din, kaya walang creepy vibes. Pero look at this view, oh my God.
Ngayon wala. Ha? Parang mas scary here.
This view is amazing. Ayan. Kasalukuyan po natin nakikita ang isang proseso na tinatawag na content creation ng mga tinatawag nating mga clout chasers. Mga pagpupursigi, the hard work. At this point, it's 5 p.m. Everyone is tired and a little hungry. That's why we stopped by muna to take a little break. Next stop is a cafe. We are going goodbye. Ang pangalan ito? Diplomat Hotel.
Magkakape lang ako dun sa dahat.
Feeling ko naabangan ko sa mga footages if may spirits. Tama?
Tama.
Para maging horror special.
Pero the best yung sa flower namin ko.
Sasapian na lang. Sasapian na lang.
Ala.
Ano yung sandwiches? Time check, it's 5:23 and we're now at Hatch Coffee. Pagod na ako guys, sa totoo lang. Di pa kayo napapagod?
Pagod na ako. Gusto ko na nga medyo magpahinga.
Gusto ko nang bumalik sa actually, sa Airbnb. Pero ang plano ng mga tao ay ituloy-tuloy ang laban. Right now, I'm having a chocolate coffee. Not chocolate coffee, just chocolate. O, diba? Hindi ko na alam ang mga nangyayari dahil nga pagod na ako. So, ang tanging comment ko lang sa kanilang chocolate ay mas masarap yung chocolate milk nila. Chocolate drink compared sa chocolate de Batterol from yesterday. And mas sikat yun. So, that says a lot. Ikaw, anong comment mo for your latte?
Yung Spanish latte nila, masarap naman. However, mas bet ko pa rin yun sa yung sa La Union natin. Sa Noninok pa yan.
Muninuk.
Moninuk. That's Moninuk.
Muninuk.
The best does.
Binigyan nila kami ng libreng 1 cup. Yes, from La Union.
Complimentary ko.
Kasi kami, the best customers. After Hatch Coffee, we all decided to go back to the Airbnb. We finally admitted to ourselves that we're all tired and we need to freshen up. Last stop for today is the night market. And oh my God, sobrang daming tao. Na para bang Pasko sa Divisoria ang eksena. Pinag-isipan pa naman kung tutuloy ba kami. Pero in the end, since nandito na rin naman, tumuloy na kami. Sobrang mura ng mga kagamitan here. Like, look at this. For 350 pesos, makakabili ka na ng Louis Vuitton and Dior na blanket.
Gusto niyo po ba? Hello po. This is only for 150 pesos only. Ma'am, sir, we're offering you almost a brand new jacket. Here only at Night Market.
Sa sobrang daming choices, wala talaga akong nabili aside from a necklace and bracelet from this stall. Okay? Time check. It's 11:55. It's our last day. And we're about to go to Benkat Museum and another cafe, hopefully. And we're We're about to go now. I am a bit sad because I don't want to go back to the realities of life and work. Anyways, paalis na kami. Hindi ko na matapos tong spill because nagmamadali na sila. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss Baguio. Ngayon lang ako talaga nakapag-explore here. Na January ng 2024 yung last time ko here. And hindi naman kasi kami nakapag-ikot masyado kasi wala kaming car that time. And also yung boyfriend ko had a food poisoning. Kaya, kaya hindi kami nakalayo sa hotel. I think Baguio makes it to my top 5 vacation places in the Philippines. Anyways, papasok na ako sa loob ulit kasi ang lamig na. And this concludes my Baguio vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or engage with this video however you want. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Bye-bye.